Remember. Clear? Where you are going to use the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now you understood the definition of trigonometry, definition of trigonometric ratios, and where you can use this trigonometry. Trigonometry is nothing but using a right angle triangle and its sides. So with the real time example, I should make one right angle triangle. With this right angle triangle, you can use the trigonometric ratios. Okay, how to use this trigonometric ratios that I will teach now. So in AC. See this AC will get cancels. Both are in denominator. What is left? BC by AB. BC by AB. Clear? So tangent of A is side opposite to angle A, side adjacent to angle A. It is BC by AB. It can also be defined as sine A by cosine A. See, AB by A is sorry BC by AB and also BC by AB. These are the three trigonometric ratios. And fourth trigonometric ratio is cosecant of A. Cosecant of angle A is 1 divided by sine A. Reciprocal of sine A is reciprocal of sine A is nothing but cosecant of A. Cosecant A is what? Reciprocal of sine A. What is sine A? Here sine A is side opposite to angle A divided by hypotenuse. Reciprocal means reverse. Hypotenuse by side opposite to angle A. It means you will get for sine A you will get BC by AC. No? For cosecant A you will get AC by BC. Reciprocal is what? AC by BC. Clear? Reciprocal of sine A. Reciprocal means just interchange numerator and denominator. BC by AC you will get AC by BC. That is cosecant of A. Now after that we have a third trigonometry. I'll erase this. I'll erase it and write here only. So fourth trigonometric ratio is secant of A. Sorry, fifth trigonometric ratio is secant of A. Secant of angle A. So secant of angle A is nothing but 1 divided by cosine of A. Cosine of angle A. 1 divided by cosine of angle A. Secant is nothing but 1 divided by cosine means reciprocal of cosine A. What is cosine A? You got AB by AC. Reciprocal of AB by AC is AC by AB. If you write down two trigonometric ratios, then you can define all. Sine and cosine. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. Cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sine. Secant is nothing but reciprocal of cosine. And the last is cotangent of A. Cotangent of A. Cotangent of A is nothing but reciprocal of tangent A. Reciprocal of tangent A. What is tangent A? What is tangent A? You got BC by AB. Reciprocal means AB by BC. So these are the six trigonometric ratios which you are going to use to find the relationship between the different angles, means two acute angles and the three different sides of the right triangle. Clear? One is, again I am repeating, one is sine of angle A, second is cosine